Today I am going to explain 26th session, problems on computation of total income from salary. This fifth part, recap of previous session, valuation of perquisites, learning objectives, computation of total income from salary. Learners will understand the computation of total income from salary. Summary, computation of total income from salary, MCQ. If the employee receives retirement gratuity from more than one employer, he can claim exemption in respect of current employer, previous employer, both employer, not from single employer. It's both employer. The family pension received by the family members of armed forces after death of employee is fully exempted after fulfilling of certain conditions, not exempted, none of the above. So take a moment, think. This is exempted after fulfilling of certain conditions. Okay, that we are going to we have already learnt in the perquisites. Okay, just we are applying the theory here. Encashment of earned leave is given by which of Income Tax Act 1961? Section 10 10AA, Section 12 10AA, Section 15 10B, none of the above. The Section 10 10AA deals with leave encashment or encashment of earned leave. Salary received by the manager of an agriculture farm is an agricultural income, a salary income, a business income, a capital income. See, actually we have understood and we have gone through that agricultural income is completely exempted from India. Suppose a person is working as a manager in an agriculture farm, whether it becomes a salary income. So there is a question, or it becomes a agriculture income or business income or a capital income. Since he is working as a manager under someone else who is the owner of agricultural farm, so absolutely the salary received by manager will be considered as a salary income. Let us see, it is salary income. Gift to employee up to how much per annum will not be treated as perquisite taxable in the hands of employee. See, gift to employee up to how much per annum will not be treated as perquisite taxable in the hands of employee. That is 5,000. So that means employer can give gift to employee up to 5,000 rupees, and the up to 5,000 rupees will not be considered as taxable perquisite. If it exceeds 5,000, the difference amount will be taxable as perquisite. These are the reference books.